Welcome to the Job Search Strategy for Freshers, a comprehensive, step-by-step guide designed to help you succeed in 2026. We begin with Phase 1, setting the foundation. This phase is crucial for defining your target and preparing your materials. Step 1 is deep self-assessment. First, identify your strengths, analyzing projects and internships to find your core niche. Next, define clear goals regarding industry, role, and salary expectations. Finally, conduct a gap analysis of target job descriptions to identify missing skills early. Step 2 is market intelligence. Knowing your industry is crucial for accessing hidden opportunities. Analyze labor demand, monitor company hiring cycles, and identify key regional hubs for your field. Step 3, creating a management-grade resume. Focus on ATS optimization by using industry-specific keywords. Demonstrate quantifiable impact using metrics, and ensure strict customization by tailoring your resume for every application. Step 4, digital presence. Optimize your LinkedIn profile, which is your 24/7 digital lobby. Use a professional photo, a keyword-rich headline, and showcase your certificates, portfolios, or original content in the featured section. Step 5 is creating the strategic target list. Focus on specific employers rather than mass applying. Rank your targets into tiers such as Dream, Core, and Safe, and track your engagement status with each. Step 6, go beyond the apply button. Check company portals directly, as many jobs are posted there first. Use smart alerts on platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn for instant notifications. Finally, utilize niche boards specific to your industry, such as GitHub or Behance. Step 7, strategic networking. By mastering the coffee chat, access the hidden job market through informational interviews, connect with university alumni, ask for advice, not a job directly, and send personalized invites to your second-tier connections. This brings us to Phase 2, mastering the application, focusing on the later stages of your job search. Step 8, managing the funnel. Consistency beats intensity in applications. Aim for 5 to 10 high-quality, tailored applications per week, rather than 50 generic ones. Step 9, interview mastery. Structure your behavioral responses using the STAR technique for maximum impact: situation, task, action, and result with metrics. Step 10, skill amplification. Focus on soft skills. Research shows that 85% of job success comes from well-developed soft skills, like collaboration, problem-solving adaptability, and effective communication. Step 11, post-interview protocol. Immediately note key questions. Within 24 hours, send a personalized thank you email. Follow up politely after 7 days if no update is received. And maintain ongoing relationships by keeping your network updated on your progress. Remember the words of Winston Churchill: success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Treat every rejection as a feedback loop to refine your strategy. Ready for the next step in your career journey? Follow us for more updates and comprehensive guidance on job search strategies using the links provided here.